Hi, this is Saud Mansoor, the author of the ebook Read Faster Now and your speed reading coach. I'm here because of you, yes. The reason why you're watching this video is because you're facing certain reading challenges. Yeah. Perhaps you take long hours to read a document, a functional spec. Perhaps you get distracted immediately when you see a lot of text. Or perhaps you really love books, but you're not able to remember what you just read. I understand these challenges. After training about hundreds of professionals, team leads, managers, I've been able to master a practical formula which really helps my professional students to boost their reading speed, read more in less time, be able to remember what they just read so that they're able to have those intelligent conversations. Yeah. What I want you to do right now is to submit your information. Click the link below and we can have a one-on-one conversation, and I'll try to help you solve your reading challenges so that you're able to read more in less time. Because I truly believe the more you read, the better you lead. And if it is faster, it's more merry. Go ahead and click the button below